Hello friend, welcome to Pankaj's YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the ChatGPT OpenAI and the new round of funding which is going in the news today. So everyone knows what is ChatGPT, how it is helping the AI and what people are using AI and how they are using, how they are AI is helping them in their daily activities. So everyone is very much familiar about the ChatGPT. And so today we are not going to talk about that. Today we are going to talk about the OpenAI, what is the OpenAI company and how it is connected to the ChatGPT and what is their new round of funding is going in the news. So OpenAI is the groundbreaking company behind the ChatGPT, which is in the news one more time. So they are securing the $65 billion new investment with some new terms and conditions, which I will tell you in this video again. So this new round of funding, when they have like $6.5 billion, so this could soar up to the $150 valuation of this OpenAI company. And but this new round of funding is not only with the money, it is more than to that. This new round of funding is going to have some changes, like they are coming with the convertible notes. Convertible notes means like OpenAI has already some restriction like net profit or cap profit, and they have a company structure changes. So new investors are looking to remove this cap profit and they want to bring some company structure in the OpenAI also once they become the part of this OpenAI company or as they become as a partner investor. So let us know about what is the cap profit and how it came in the OpenAI. So when OpenAI started as a non-profit, they wanted to more work on for the intelligence side. They wanted to surpass the human capabilities, and when they started work, their main aim to work on the intelligence and with the safety of humanity also. They did not want to play around with the human safety. This is the first thing. So they also, at that time when they started, they wanted to give some return to their investor when they started for this mission. But what happened, they wanted to cap their profit. Like example, if some investor is putting 1 million, they wanted to put it make it 100x of their investment only, maximum return. So investor is putting 1 million, they can get up to 100 million only. The rest of the amount, whatever the company grow as per their revenue or their operation or their current valuation, the rest of the thing will go to the OpenAI company, which is the non-profit one. So why they wanted to put the cap profit? Because they can more work on the development of the human intelligence, artificial intelligence side. So their main mission was to work with the safety of the humanity when they are working on the artificial intelligence side. So always they had put the upfront their safety of the humanity and very upfront and the center of their mission. But they did not worry about the profit because they already wanted to work for the intelligence and things like that. This is the one thing. And the new investment which is going in the news, the investor is looking for the more profit. They are saying if they can remove this cap profit and bring some company structure changes in their company, they probably will part of this new round of funding. So let's talk about who are their investors. So their investor is currently Microsoft has already put $10 billion in the OpenAI. The Microsoft is already existing, and new investor also in the new round of funding. Apart from it, they will have the new investor like Apple and Nvidia. So the stakes are very high because it can bring the changes in the OpenAI company. They want to remove their returns. They want to remove the cap profit and bring some structure changes. So let's say what happens if they are agree, OpenAI is agree with their new terms and conditions. So probably it will be they are moving away from their mission, which is very they wanted to put first the human safety, because when the new investor comes, they probably will look for the more return, more profit. So for looking the more profit, there is a chance they can compromise with the human safety, with the development of the artificial intelligence. So and other thing which alert us why we need to know all those things, because their today's decision can change about tomorrow's AI tools and all AI tools features and all the development we are going through the AI. So that's why it is very important for us to know what they are going to do it today. Are they going to remove those their cap profit and the company structure policy or not. If they remove, it means they are moving away from their mission, and there is a chance they can compromise the human safety also with the development of the AI. This is the one thing. But the company CEO has assured, Sam Altman already assured that they are going to focus on the safety of the human, and they will probably work with their mission. But if this deal does not go, they will come with the new terms and conditions. But the valuation of the company, $150 billion, probably I don't think it's going to be that high, but there will be change in the company's valuation. So I hope. So what do you think? Should OpenAI lift its cap profit and bring more investor, or they should stick to their mission where they give priority to their ethics over the profit? Let us know in the comment. And if you find this video very helpful and informative, please hit the like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.